Hello, my friend. I'm going to show you the troubleshooting for EE8 today. By this video, you will learn about what is EE8 stand for and how to fix it. When you find the controller with the EE8, don't worry, because EE8 is the communication failure from the controller and the PCB. Then when we find EE8, we need to check the winding from the controller to the PCB are well connected. So let's check it. Okay, we will check it. You will find there are 4 windings from the controller to the PCB. Then we will disconnecting them and then reconnecting them to see if the problem could be solved. So let's do it. We will disconnect it and then reconnect it. And once again, we will disconnect the winding and reconnect it. So you can find the controller already with no EE8 solved, and the problem have solved. If you have any other question about our swimming pool heat pump, feel free to contact us anytime. Thank you. Bye.